Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know the router IP, admin credentials, model, and firmware so you can access features. Once you have that, back up the current configuration to an external file. This lets you restore if something breaks. Next, secure the management plane by enabling HTTPS or SSH and avoiding default ports. This reduces exposure while you work. Make sure remote admin is off unless needed, and keep the backup accessible before moving to rule creation. You now define core rules. Set the default inbound policy to block and build explicit allow rules for required services. This establishes a secure baseline. When creating rules, permit established and related connections so legitimate replies flow without extra rules. Then add LAN origin allow rules for DNS and HTTPS, and limit services by IP, MAC, or VLAN to reduce attack surface. Once done, enable logging for critical drops to see what's blocked, making it easier to refine rules without breaking access. You finish by testing both internal and external access. Use support checker, ping, and try services from a remote network to confirm rules and NAT behavior. If you need port forwarding, add minimal, source-restricted entries and avoid broad open ports. That keeps exposure low. Once confident, save the configuration permanently, schedule firmware and rule reviews, and enable alerting for suspicious events so you detect changes quickly. If something fails, reboot router and restore the backup while troubleshooting log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.